guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on this summer-esque look. My nails kind of inspired me, and also I just got really inspired by yellow. I love yellow. I have a yellow backdrop. I just like, let me do something with yellow. So I went to Ulta and I picked up a bunch of new products that I wanted to try out on my channel and talk about a little bit. And then I also wanted to just, do something with color. I'm just really inspired by using a lot of color lately. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell if you aren't getting notifications for my videos. I'd love for you guys to know when I'm posting. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this look. So to get started, first I'm gonna prep my skin. I'm gonna be using the Pixie skin treats and the glowing mist. This has argan oil and propolis. I think that's how you say it. I'm just gonna shake that up a little bit. It's like a nice natural, like glowy finish to your face. So good. I like to prep my skin with this. Then I'm gonna take just a little bit of the Away We Glow strobing cream. This is not a, this isn't like a prep, but you can use it as a prep. This particular color is called Bright Star. And I'm just gonna, ooh, I don't know how I feel about this right now, actually. I'm gonna rub it in first. Let me rub it in. I'm just gonna put it on all the high points of my face and a little bit under my eyes there. Because we're really gonna go for a nice, glowy, summery look. For foundation, I'm gonna be using CoverGirl's new foundations. This is my first time using this. Actually, a lot of these products are the first time I'm using a lot of this stuff. I just went to Ulta today and decided to pick up a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This is a transfer resistant foundation. My color is M80, which is caramel beige. And I'm just gonna take 2.5 pumps, and I'm gonna use a little bit of this Jasmine oil blend from Pixie as well. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Age Rewind, and I've used this before. I don't know why I stopped using this because this is one of my favorite concealers. It's so good. This concealer is also really good for flash photography. Good anti-flashback concealer. I really like it. I don't know why I stopped using this. Next, I'm gonna go in with contour, and I'm gonna be using my handy dandy Loreal Pro Glow Infallible Pro Glow foundation in the color 212. This is my favorite one to use. You only need a little bit because a little goes a long way. I really do like to do foundation contour versus using a stick, because it lays so much better on the skin and it looks more natural than using a stick, because I don't know, stick to me just like gives me that like chunky vibe, and I just don't like that. I want it to look as natural as possible, even though we're like piling on makeup. The only other stick bronzer stick contour that I would even use is still actually a foundation stick, and it's from Black Opal, and that one is in the color Nutmeg, which is my favorite one to use too. I haven't used that in a while. I need to go buy that. And then I'm just gonna let that sit a little bit on my face, kind of like blend in, get all those juices flowing. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I need to go on my lid too, I forgot. Today I'm gonna be using one of my favorite anti-flashback, very good setting powder. This is so bomb. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's their Banana Luxury Powder. Also kind of like the Midnight Powder, but basically a better, because I love this one. And plus it's expensive too. I think it's like $10 to $12. It's really good. One of my favorites to use. And I'm just gonna set my whole face today with this. We're gonna bake a little bit today too, actually. And now we're gonna move on to eyes. And I just saw this palette in Ulta today and I was like, oh my gosh, all the colors in here are so pretty. This is the Yes Please palette from Colorpop. I love that Colorpop is like, now you can just go to the store and get it. You don't have to like order it online and wait for it to come. So happy about that. And these are the colors inside. So pretty. So I was like, this is definitely a summer vibe. So today I'm just going to have some fun and figure out what kind of look we're going for. I'm not really sure, but we'll see when we get there. All right, so first I'm gonna go in with the shade Big Cocktails. This pretty shade right here. Then next I'm gonna go with the shade right next to that, and I'm going to go with the shade, and it's called Champs. I'm just really gonna build on that color. Next I'm gonna go in with the color Louis. I'm just gonna add a little bit more definition to my crease. Next I'm gonna take it to the color Butter Cake right here. And I'm just going to keep building my crease up. I'm just going to tap that in the outer corner here. Then I'm going to take a little bit of my Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to make a cut crease, half cut crease, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to take a little bit more of Butter Cake, really pack her on at the end here. This MAC 239 brush, I'm taking Champ, and I'm just going to pack that shadow on there. And then I'm going to take this beautiful yellow shade, and it's called French Kiss. Going to pack that on in the front. Make sure I really blend all those shades in. So now that I've finished my eyes, I'm going to move on to my brows. I'm gonna be using the NYX Tame and Frame, the color Chocolate. I'm just gonna brush through my brows really quickly. Next, I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Boost and Set in Clear, and this is the gel to hold the brows in place. And I just like to flick my brows up a little bit in a crazy way, just so they look more wild, I guess. I'm going to move back on the rest of my face, and I'm just going to brush off the excess powder. You guys know I love this thing. It's so good. I just love this freaking contour kit. Black Radiance, and it is the light to medium shade. And I'm just going to take my little hourglass brush, and I'm just going to add some color to my face. Really just add on that bronze. Next, I'm gonna go in with one of the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blushes. This is a really, really pretty one. This one's called Just Curious. Using the other one is called Fantastical, which is really cute. Actually smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like peaches. Oh, it smells so good. Go a little ham. Now to my favorite part that I really, really love. I'm going to take a little bit of these highlighter drops from Ulta Beauty. This particular one is called Divine. Let me give you guys a swatch of it actually, so you guys can see how pretty it is. This is the swatch of it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and then just take that onto my cheeks. Then I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Foil and do a little bit ASMR, I'm sorry. L'Oreal Foil Metallic Illuminator in the color Gilded Gold. I'm just going to use this little buddy right here. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this new one that I haven't used before, but I did swatch it in Ulta. And I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Golden Flower Crown. This is so pretty when I swatched it. It's like a nice, pretty gold. And it reminds me a little bit of a dupe for Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby. That's what it reminds me of, a little bit of that. So I'm just gonna take that on top there and really, really define that highlight. I'm gonna go back in with my eyes, and I'm gonna be using Butter Cake and a little bit of Louis. So Butter Cake and Louis on my lower lash line. So today I put on the lashes. My camera card ran out, so I had to just go ahead and put the lashes on. But I am wearing the Your Lash Bar lashes, and these are called Tequila Sunrise because I love tequila. No, I really love these lashes. I feel like they look so good on, and they're so inexpensive. These are, I think, about actually don't quote me on that price because I don't know exactly, but they're so inexpensive. They're like really, really great lashes. So I'll put that down in the description bar below for you guys if you're interested in buying them. One of my favorite lip combos I'm really obsessed with. I'm gonna be using Nutmeg from NYX. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. And I like to go a little bit over my Cupid's bow because it gives me like that natural pout look. It's really, really cute little trick if you guys want to know. You just go a little bit over the Cupid's bow like that. I'm gonna go a little bit under my line. My new favorite NYX lipstick, it's so good. It's Strictly Vinyl, color Sugar Mama. NYX has these new Shimmer Down lip glosses, and these are like their glittery glosses, and I'm just gonna take a little bit and put that on top. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you guys want to see any more summer related videos or any of those things, I have a couple of them planned right now. Be sure to stay tuned. I have a lot of summer videos planned. I'm really, really excited about this summer. I don't know why. If you guys have any recommendations, please leave them down in the comments below. That's pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.